Hi everyone, again I'm Liana with Music Academy International. Welcome to my channel. If you are new and you just clicked on this video, thank you for doing that. Please do, you will find in the link below, check out my introduction, what are the scales and why we should do it, and do check the first part of and second part of C major. That is one of the most important scales that it's definitely it's a must knowing scale. If you know C major, you will be very easy. It would be very easy for you to play these scales. And in today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about the D major. So D major, it will have the two sharps. So how do I get the D major? So as I said before, C major has no sharps, no flats, and then a fifth higher. We're gonna find the G major that we're gonna have one sharp. If you go from G another fifth higher, you're gonna find the D major that will have two sharps, and those sharps, they're gonna be F sharp and C sharp. So every time, anytime, all the time, all the times, when you're gonna see a piece of music with two sharps at the key signature, and it should be, there must be those two sharps, there only can be F sharp and C sharp. Remember that, F sharp and C sharp, right? And if it's a major scale, it will be the D major, okay? So how would you play that? Now that you practice C major and G major, D major, it's no-brainer. You're gonna do it in the next, not 5, maybe 10 minutes. That's all, I promise you. But you must know C major and G major. They are building blocks, one by one by one. Okay, so D major. Again, we're starting with D, we're ending with D. We play those patterns, the same pattern. 1, 2, 3. You see the F sharp, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4 on the C sharp, and then D. Again, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Should I go slower? Please comment and let me know if I should go slower. D, E, F sharp, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going back is the same thing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, F sharp, E, D. Right? Do that 3, 4, 5 times. That will be it. If you know it already, again, C major and G major, this one 3 times. That's it. Left hand. 5, 4, F sharp. Here. 2, 1. Exactly the same fingering like all the others. 1, 2, 3 under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So F sharp and C sharp. Key signature. F sharp and C sharp, all F's and all C sharp, all over the keys that you will be playing into the song sharps, okay? Again, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, coming back, easy as that, both hands. Two octaves, so that's how it's gonna go. The same drill. You go one octave, as you already know it. You land on number 1 on D, and think what you're gonna think about. Left hand is turning 4 here, and the right hand after the black key, that is the F sharp, turns 1. Again. Number 4 on the left hand, number 3 on the right. one, land in one. If you're not on one, something went wrong, okay? And right now, turn right hand turns 4 on C sharp, then the attention goes on the left hand, 3 under. Again, going down. And then over, left hand. Last time, even slower. And left hand. You wanna go further? Stop. Stop. And go again. That's the practice. Stop. Stop. And you do the pattern all over again. Stop. In no time you're gonna go like that. Sounds good? Yay! We did the D major. Thank you so much. And please share, subscribe, ring the bell. Okay, so you will know, you will be noticed for my next one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'm gonna go to 3 sharps, okay? So not big deal. Again, so which one is gonna be that? Do you know? Do you got it? It's gonna be the A major. So from D, we do it, we going 5 notes higher, or a fifth, a perfect fifth. You go on the scale, right? From D to A, and we're gonna find the A major. So A major is gonna have 3 sharps. So click the bell so you will be notified. Subscribe and click the bell, obviously. You will be notified exactly when I'm gonna put that up. And let's do together A major. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.